Good afternoon, students. Today in this video we are going to learn about tissue culture. As traditional breeding techniques failed to keep pace with demand, another technology called tissue culture got developed. What is tissue culture? Tissue culture is nothing but it is a technology by which a full plant, whole plants could be generated or developed from explants. What are explants? So, a new plant, we can generate a new plant by this tissue culture from explants. Explants are any part of a plant like leaves, stem or roots taken out and grown in a test tube under sterile condition, under hygienic condition in special nutrient media. Either a leaf of a plant or a stem of a plant or a root of a plant is taken from the plant and it is grown in laboratory under sterile condition in special nutrient media. Then small plantlets develop from the tissues. That is tissues of the explant. Explants are parts of a plant. This capacity to generate a new plant from any cell or explant is known as totipotency. We call this capacity to develop a new plant from any cell or explant is known as totipotency. The nutrient medium should contain a carbon source, that is sucrose, inorganic salt, vitamins, amino acids and growth regulators, growth hormones like auxin and cytokinins. All these nutrients are present in this nutrient medium. And then this method of producing thousands of plants through tissue culture is also known as micropropagation. Tissue culture is also known as micropropagation. What we do in tissue culture, we take an explant and we grow this explant in a nutrient medium, and then this explant contains tissues, and these new tissues they will develop into small plants called plantlets, and then we grow them. And this process is known as micropropagation, and also we culture the tissues, though it is also known as tissue culture. And then the plants that are produced by this tissue culture, they are identical to their parents morphologically as well as genetically. So they are known as soma clones. All the plants produced by this micropropagation are genetically identical to the parent plant from which they were grown. So they are soma clones. Plants like tomato, banana and apple are grown by this micropropagation. There is another application of this tissue culture, that is, we can get a healthy plant from a diseased plant. If a plant is infected by virus or bacteria, but we can get a healthy plant from that infected plant by using this tissue culture. Consider a plant is infected with virus. When a plant is infected with virus, the meristematic tissues will not be infected by virus. So meristematic tissues, apical meristem as well as axillary meristem are free of virus. We take the tissue from meristematic tissue and we grow in nutrient medium and we get plantlets. And these plantlets are disease free, even though we get the meristematic tissue from the diseased plant infected with virus, but we can get a plant without virus. And another method, scientists, they isolated cells, single cell from the plants. They isolated one cell from one plant and another cell from another plant, both having desirable characters. And then they digest their cell wall. The cell walls of this plant and another plant is digested. And then we get naked protoplast with plasma membrane. The cell wall gets digested, but plasma membrane will be there. So we get naked protoplast with plasma membrane. And these two protoplasts from different variation they are fused to get hybrids. We fuse these two protoplasts to get a hybrid, and this hybrid protoplast will grow into a new plant, and these hybrids are known as somatic hybrids, and this process is called somatic hybridization. For example, the protoplast of tomato, they first take a cell of tomato and then digest the cell wall, and they get naked protoplast with plasma membrane, and in the same way they take the cell of potato and digest the cell wall, and the protoplast they get with plasma membrane, and this is protoplast of potato. They fuse this protoplast of tomato and protoplast of potato, then we get a new variety pomato by hybridizing tomato and potato protoplasts. We get pomato, but unfortunately this pomato, it did not have all the desired combinations of the characters present in tomato and potato, so they could not use this for commercial purpose. So this in tissue culture we get thousands of new plants within short time by culturing, by growing only the tissues of a plant. The tissues, they may take this tissue from the leaf or the stem or the root of a plant. So you should know all these new words. What is tissue culture, and what are explants, and what is totipotency, and what is micropropagation, and what are soma clones, and also somatic hybrids and somatic hybridization. With this we are completing lesson 9. I will give some questions related to this topic, tissue culture. I already have sent some questions related to biofortification and single cell protein. Write answers for this also, and then post me in the morning tomorrow. Thank you, students.